to candidate number 3, Miss Magindan. The fourth runner-up. Okay, thank you, Mr. Carlo.
Thank you so much, Chairman. Yeah.
The third runner-up will be awarded by Miss Aba Garcia, please.
Yeah.
Will be receiving a sash, a trophy, and a cash prize. The third runner-up. Sino? Third runner-up. The third runner-up goes to candidate number 8. Miss the third runner-up. And the second runner-up to be awarded by Miss Mahalia Pailan. The second runner-up. Okay, the second runner-up to be awarded by Miss Mahalia Pailan. The second runner-up is candidate number 1. Miss Western Bikutan. Okay, dalawa na lang silang natitira. Oh my God! Ang una kong babanggitin, ang first runner-up, Kuya John. The first runner-up will be awarded by Kuya John and the title will be awarded by Kim Serafica.
Escort by SK Chairman Carlo Guzman.
Paki-escort
Title
po,
po.
title holder. Paki-escortan si Miss Kim Serafica, Mr. Carlo. Okay, this is it. Sino ang title?
And the reigning,
Ang tatawagin reigning queen. And the reigning queen, I'm sorry. Okay, ang tatawagin ko ang first runner-up. Automatically, ang may iwan, ang siyang title. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat ulit, sa mga judges, sa mga guests. Thank you. Sa mga sponsors, sa lights, wala, lahat na. Okay, the first runner-up. Miss Taguig, first runner-up 2008 is